If you are facing the "you have too many friends" problem on Snapchat, you have come to the right place. I have a solution for you. Follow the steps below to solve the problem. Open the Snapchat app and go to your profile page by tapping on your avatar icon at the top left corner. Scroll down the page to find My Friends folder and tap on it to view your friends list. The first solution is delete unwanted friends. For example, if you want to delete someone, tap and hold their profile, then select Manage Friendship and tap Delete Friends or Block. This will make room to add new friends. Another solution is to go back to your profile page, click on Settings in the top right corner and scroll down to the Support section. Click on I need help and wait for the page to load. Scroll down the page and find the Contact Us button. Answer a few questions, select appropriate options such as I found a bug, Yes, I need help, and select an issue related to profiles and communities. Click on My Profile, then again on Yes, and fill in the required information: username, email address, cell phone number, device, and time of the problem. Describe your problem in the text box, for example, indicate that you are unable to add new friends and ask for help in solving this problem. Alternatively, you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus to be able to add new friends. I hope this video tutorial is helpful for you. If it is, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.